Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you are having a wonderful, glorious, marvelous day today. Today, guys, I am co-hosting a collaboration. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Kale. Kale's channel is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. If you don't subscribe to her channel, or if you don't know who she is, or never even been to her channel, please go do that today. Show her some love. Make sure you tell her that Candy sent you. Listen, she does fantastic videos, really helps us try to do more with less. She does dollar-themed days, Walmart days, all sorts of shopping hauls, DIYs, beautiful DIYs, tablescapes, home decor, you name it. Go visit Kale. Now, my co-host today is Tammy, or the other co-host, I should say, is Tammy. And Tammy's channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And just like her title says, she is the queen of the DIY. If you want to learn how to do beautiful home decor videos, or home decor styling, I should say, if you want to know how to glam up some DIYs, if you want to know how to put together a tablescape, do a revamp, any of that, go over and visit Tammy today. And I again will link her channel as well as Kale's channel down in the description box. Now, my channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And again, I'm co-hosting along with Tammy. And on my channel, you're going to see all sorts of videos, whether it be home decor, tablescapes. I may do a haul or two. I may do a few DIYs. You're going to see how to do some home improvement, how-to videos, you name it. Again, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe today. Now, what we're doing today is the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape20. And the title speaks for itself. So, guys, I'm not going to talk too much here. I'm going to stop talking, let you guys take a look at my version of the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape20, and I'll come back at the end and say a couple words. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Now, if you stayed on until now, I thank you. Thank you so much for doing that and for supporting this channel. So again, please go over and pay the channel or my host and co-host a visit. Again, it's Tammy is the co-host, and Tammy's channel is me, myself, and DIYing it. And the host is Kale, and her channel is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And again, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope you will do that today. Hit that notifications button, tap that notifications bell 2 times so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, please remember to go visit the playlist. There's tons and tons of creators on there, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy what they've put together. And guys, like I always say, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.